Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 108 of Building the Tumbler from Batman. In this issue, we're connecting up the rear axle. Oh, we're not connecting it up. We're building on the rear axle. We do get to connect it up in this pack, though, so I'm looking forward to that. But for now, we're going to look through 1 year later, in 2006. That's a more traditional looking Batmobile with the fins and stuff at the back. I like that. Yeah, all good things there. Batfleck. Yeah, the Batman vs Superman. This is the one after, isn't it? What's this one? It's a DC Extended Universe. Oh, or is this? I can't remember that. I've seen it, but I don't remember if that's the Batman Superman or if that's the one after. And I can't remember what that one was called. But there we go. All good stuff with that. All about Ben, if you want to read about Ben. But yeah, the three of them together in a film. I still haven't seen the Flash film. I will at some point, but the Wonder Woman films, I've seen a couple of them. But yeah, right, so this is what we've got today. We've got our shock absorber, basically we're putting onto the rear thing. We've got a lid piece that we're not using yet. That's going to cover over the gap. But basically it's just fitting the pistons on and then fitting the springs on the top. Ready for next time when we do some more with it. But the springs are obviously going to fall off between now and then. Then we've got to put the shafts on for the big wheels to go onto. So yeah, all good stuff. Let's clear this out of the way and we'll get straight to it. So I do like a nice self-contained issue. This is the part that we're not using yet. That's just going to clip in place to cover over the gap on that piece where this slides into. But for now, we're going to be using WM screws. We're going to need 2 of those, like that. And we are going to use those to attach these to that. That way round and that way round, going inwards on there, just like so. And the screw for this goes from the outside. Yeah, because that's obviously shaped as well. So that's going to go through there, and into there. Ready for the piston. This is where the part that we fitted last time, the piston is going to fit into there, obviously, isn't it? So yeah, there we go. So there we have that, nice and tight and still moving around. We'll get the other one connected up on the other side as well. Once we get that through there and through there. There we go. And then we have another page of instructions, which basically just say, pop that on there. Oh, it's quite a tight fit, so it's not gonna escape. That's a very tight fit, actually. Is that way around? No, just as tight. Not quite so tight that side. But yeah, that's not going to fall off. I'll screw that down on there a bit, I think. There we go. So that's a very tight spring because it's obviously a hefty machine that it's supporting. So there we go. That is what we have so far. We don't need that for another issue or 2. The spare screw I shall keep. And for now, that's another issue completed. So join me next time when we're going to fit a bit to a side. And then I think the next time we're fitting a bit to the other side. But yeah, lots of fiddly stuff to do on this before we manage to eventually get this fitted to the car itself. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.